guys, you've got to check this out. If you have not tried Slick Products Shine Protectant, you are missing out. This is one of my favorite products. It's super easy to use. If you have a dirt bike, ATV, or any vehicle for that matter that has plastic, rubber, you can use it on your car trim or tires. Makes everything look basically brand new again, but also helps to clean up, especially for off-road vehicles. It makes your cleanup much easier. Today I want to show you the proper steps and how I use this product to get the best results. Check this out. So before you go ride, what I like to do is just do a quick coat on the bike, let it sit for a few minutes, and then I'm going to use a towel to just buff it in. You can use this on the plastics. If you like to ride and you're gonna grip on, I wouldn't do a whole lot here on the shrouds. Definitely don't do any on your seat. Don't do any on your tire treads or your brakes. But mainly for the plastics, you're just going to do a light mist. It doesn't have to be a lot. The best place to do it is underneath your fenders, where a lot of that dirt is going to build up and cake up. Put it under here, it keeps the dirt from sticking, and a lot of that's going to fall off. You can even do it here, right around the engine. Okay, so there you go. Let it sit for a few minutes. I'm going to grab a microfiber towel. We're going to come back. You want to just sort of wipe it down and buff it in. By doing that, it keeps a lot of the dust or anything else from sticking, but really it'll just create a nice barrier between the plastic and the dirt or mud, whatever you're getting into. So this Shine product works really, really good with our off-road wash. Great, great product. I highly recommend get yours today.